Page 122. Unit 8.
Read and enjoy this poem. I am the music man.
I am the music man. I come from far away, and I can play. What can you play? I play the piano. Pia, pia, piano, piano, piano. Pia, pia, piano, pia, piano.
I am the music man. I come from far away, and I can play. What can you play? I play the big drum. Boom-de 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 boom, boom-de boom, boom-de boom.
Page 123.
Boom-de boom-de boom, pia pia piano. Piano, piano, pia pia piano, pia piano. New words.
Music man,
Far away,
play,
piano,
drum.
boom.
Let's read.
Sonia is learning to play the piano.
Page number 124.
Reading is fun.
What are the two instruments that the music man can play?
Where does the music man come from?
Let's talk.
If the music man comes to you, what would you ask him to play for you?
What would you like to learn? Music, dance, or karate?
Say aloud.
Piano,
Pin,
pail,
van,
valley,
vote,
wind,
wet.
wild.
Sing this song aloud together. Make up a tune. Hey ho.
Hey ho, from home to school we go.
Just keep on singing all day long. Hey ho, hey ho, hey ho.
Page 125.
Let's write.
Make sentences using words from the table.
On the left we have words like a farmer, a soldier, a singer, an electrician, a pilot, an actor, a musician.
And in the middle we have acts, flies, plays, wears, sings, repairs, works.
And on the right we have songs, in the field, a uniform, lights, music, a plane, in films. Now write the sentences here and finish 7 sentences with the 3 columns talked about above.
Page number 126.
How many musical instruments can you find in this maze? Try to circle at least 4.
Here is a picture maze given below. Try to find out how many musical instruments are there and name them. Page 127.
Change these words from singular to plural.
Bench dash,
Brush, dash.
glass dash,
Box, dash.
bus dash,
Tomato, dash.
deer dash,
Sheep, dash.
tooth dash,
Goose, dash.
woman dash,
Mouse, dash.
ox dash,
Child, dash.
man dash.
Class, dash.
अभी अभी हमने पढ़ा यूनिट 8 का चैप्टर 1 आई एम द म्यूज़िक मैन। सो लेसन के बाद अब नज़र डालते हैं हम इसके कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पे। तो एनसीईआरटी में पहले कुछ कीवर्ड्स दिए गए हैं, हम उसको समझ लेते हैं। म्यूज़िक का मतलब होता है वोकल और इंस्ट्रूमेंटल साउंड। एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस हैं उसके। राजेश प्लेज वेरी गुड म्यूज़िक, द म्यूज़िक वॉज वेरी लाउड इन द पार्टी। सेकेंड वर्ड है मैन, an adult human male. एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंस है ही इज स्मॉल मैन विथ बिग आईज। दूसरे एग्जाम्पल है दिस मैन वॉन्टेड टू स्टे विथ अस एट आवर होम। थर्ड Far. Far, it means at a great distance. Example sentences. Number 1. The house was not too far away from school. Number 2. He lives far away from our city. Away, at a distance from a particular place. Example sentences. Number 1. He put away the gun looking at the peasant. Number 2. Don't go away leaving me all alone. Play. To be involved in. Example sentences. Number 1. I play football and basketball in the evening. Number 2. They play cards with their friends. Piano, a large keyboard musical instrument. Example sentences. Number 1. I love to play piano on Sundays. Number 2. The keyboard of my piano needs to be repaired. Drum, an instrument played with hands or sticks. Example sentences. Number 1. I was dancing on the beat of the drum. I got the best drum player award in school. Boom, a sound, a loud deep sound. Example sentences. Number 1. The thunder boomed in the sky. Number 2. I fell from the stairs with a boom. Page 123. Sonia is learning to play the piano. So answer, Sonia is learning to play the piano. Now page number 124. What are the two instruments that the music man can play? The music man can play piano and drum. Where does the music man come from? The music man come from far away. Page number 124. If the music man comes to you, what would you ask him to play for you? So, these are the samples answer, children. If the music man comes to you, I would ask him to play the guitar. What would you like to learn? Music, dance or karate? I would like to learn karate so that I can fight with anyone when I am in danger. Now sing this song aloud together, make up a tune. So, students, you are advised to practice this on your own. Now, I will practice once for you. Piano, pin, pail, van, valley, vote, wind, wet, while. Hi hoo, from home to school we go. Just keep on singing all day long. Hi hoo, hey hoo. Page number 125. Make sentences using words from the table. Example that has given here. A farmer works in the field. So here are the answers. A farmer works in the field. A soldier wears a uniform. A singer sings song. An electrician repairs lights. A pilot flies a plane. An actor acts in films. A musician plays music. Page number 126. How many musical instruments can you find in this maze? Try to circle at least 4. Here are the answer. Answer is sitar, flute, piano, drum, and you can see here 4 names: sitar, piano, drum and flute. Next, page number 127. You have to change these words from singular to plural. So, bench, benches, brush, brushes, glass, glasses, box, boxes, bus, buses, tomato, tomatoes, deer, deer, sheep, sheep, tooth, teeth, goose, geese, woman, woman, mouse, mice, ox, oxen, child, children, man, men, class, classes. So, this was the lesson and question answers. Children, I hope you understood all the question answers and enjoyed the lesson. So if you have any doubt, you may ask in comment section. So we will meet soon in our next lesson in another next video. Till that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.